Oops. Mercia! This week, we're going to be trying out the turmeric face mask for 7 days. See if it's going to help with my hyperpigmentation, as well as these spots. I'm going to show you guys what my skin is looking like right now. It's looking like this. There are a few bumps. It looks very rough and all that. There's spots, very rough spots all over my forehead. Enough is enough. My skin isn't that bad, but we can definitely do better. Here I've mixed turmeric, honey, and lemon. A tablespoon this size of turmeric, a tablespoon of honey, and then I also put a tablespoon, half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Make sure that you wear something that you don't mind getting dirty. Like this is an old t-shirt that I don't mind getting dirty because turmeric does have a tendency of staining. Make sure you avoid your eyebrows. Do not get the stuff on your eyebrows, because as much as turmeric does help you brighten your face, it also helps in removing unwanted hair. So make sure that you're not getting it on your eyebrows, because you do not want to lose your eyebrows. Or unless that's your goal, then go for it. But I like to assume that we all want our eyebrows, so avoid your eyebrows and just apply it on the problematic areas. Okay, we're fine. I didn't really make a big batch. I just want the mask to be as fresh as possible, so I'm just gonna make little batches every day for 7 days. Of course, you can make your batch and put it in the fridge. Avoid your hairline. If you're trying to lose your hairline, or if you're trying to take it back a little bit, maybe it's a little too forward, then go crazy. Oh, I don't think I showed you guys, but I also have like a black spot here somewhere on my chin. I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow, but yeah, so I really wanna fix that as well. I'm gonna let this dry on my face for 15 minutes, and then I'll rinse it off in the shower when I go take a shower, because I don't want to stain the sink. So I'm just gonna rinse it off when I take a shower, and then I'll show you guys the rest of my skincare routine and what I do afterwards.
One eternity later.
From the shower, nothing applied after rinsing off the turmeric, and this is what it's looking like. The pimple is still there, but it's looking a little bit redder than before, but it's still there. Spots still there, especially this one under my chin. This is the one that I really want to go away because I can't stop picking pimples down there. My goodness. We're gonna go in with disposable cotton towels. They look like this. Vitamin C serum just to brighten up that face. Okay, there's a little bit of yellow on the towel, which is the turmeric, but my skin doesn't look yellow, so we're good. Vitamin C Daily Moisturizer from Beauty Formulas as well. It is literally 6 p.m. right now. I'll probably be heading to bed in a few hours. There's no need to apply no sunscreen. My face still feels naked, guys, so I'm just gonna go to vitamin C. This is the vitamin C oil that I use, and it's been working for me. So yeah, I just use like a 1 drop. I would then go in with Vaseline, but I cannot find my Vaseline. Like, I don't know where it is. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the one I usually use after I shower. So yeah, this is what my skin is looking like. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
So we're currently on day 2 of my turmeric face mask challenge. I didn't put lemon because I was skeptical. I was like, I don't want my skin to be sensitive to the sun. So I just put honey and turmeric on its own and mixed it together. It was a little bit too thick, so I added a little bit of water, like just a drop of water. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let this sit for 15 minutes again, and I'm gonna show you guys today's results.
The next day.
Oh my word. Today my skin decided to act up. I think my periods are coming through, so I literally started breaking out again here and along my chin. Man, this is stressful. Today I decided to put a little bit of lemon juice into the face mask.
Much later.
We are finally on day 7. Oh my word, this challenge has actually been quite a challenge. The only challenging thing about this challenge is staying consistent, doing the face mask every day. The amount of times I wanted to quit.
I've been to therapy before.
Oh my word, I got another pimple. Man, these periods. Wait for 15 minutes. Alright, so this marks the end of our turmeric mask challenge. It really was a challenge to stay consistent, but we made it. Can I say that it's made an improvement? And it made a little slight bit of a difference, but it's not like that dramatic. I would say that if you should do the turmeric mask, you definitely have to be patient. Yeah, you'd have to be patient and you'd have to use it consistently. And also when you apply the mask, make sure that you wash your face before applying the mask and rinse the mask off with water. Like, don't rinse the mask off then put on face wash. No, because then you're like rinsing off the turmeric and kind of hindering it from doing its thing. So just do it every night. Like, put on the wash your face first, then the mask, then rinse, and don't put face wash again. And yeah, though it might stain your sheets, it could stain your sheets, so just make sure that you put something on top of your pillow cover to prevent it from being turned yellow. As far as everything is concerned, my skin did not turn yellow. My hands, my fingernails did kind of turn yellow because this was a light pink and now it's looking brown. So yeah, this marks the end of the video and I will see you guys when you see me.